Oh, what's up guys? We're back out here at the lake again. This is Lake Meredith. I haven't been here in probably 6 to 7 weeks. As you know, that my bass tracker went down. I had a little issue with it, but we have it back and I trust it again. And now we are back on the lake and we're gonna do a little bass fishing. And if that doesn't work, we're gonna try a little walleye fishing. And if that doesn't work, well, then I don't know what we're gonna do. But we are gonna hit the water today. So y'all stick around. Hey, we got some juicy points here. I'm gonna put some of my stuff up here. I've been doing some other videos for you guys. We're gonna put some of this stuff up. And we're gonna go catch some fish. I don't know how well we're gonna do, how bad we're gonna do, but man, we're definitely gonna give her a full send, and we're gonna make something happen today. All right, Texas rig, crack and crawl. This is a June bug color, and we are. Oh man, that looks juicy. My deck's not even that hot, so we're gonna take the old flippy floppies off. Yeah. Got this little point here. There might be something on it. I don't know. We'll find out. Nope, wrong button. I'm all excited about fishing and pressing all the wrong buttons. As I was leaving, I found kind of a brush pile and some fish on it. So, we're going to give the old slab spoon a shot. Oh, it'll bite. And it wasn't just a little nibble. Oh, that's a fish. I got a fish. I got a fish. It's probably a walleye. It's a nice one. I definitely was not ready for a walleye. All right, hey, we got us a fish. Oh, got us a little bit of a mess. Easy, buddy. That's a pretty good one. Let's get my old measuring stick out. Oh, he's a nice 18 inches. And we're not gonna weigh him. Pretty good fish. Let's let him go. There's like a whole mess of them down there. And I see several down there. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. Did you see the long patterns here that are in this bush? There's one there, and you can see the little blue hint behind them from the tail. Oops. So yeah, they're looking right at it. Oh. Thought I had one. I don't think that was one though. Alright, we're gonna go do some other stuff. The sun has definitely calmed down, so we're gonna go play with some topwater here in a second. Unless there's someone there where I want to fish topwater, but let's go give her a shot. Go down the lake, have a little good time. Got him. Got him. First cast with a topwater, and we got us a largie. Easy, buddy. These are the kind that'll hook you good, too. Easy, easy. Oh. He's been eating something. This is like maybe a crawdad. Nice and healthy. Post-spawn fish. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the bass. Let's let him go, guys. And he's gone just like that. He came off one of these trees. I don't know how long he was following it or what. Maybe that's a pattern, I don't know. First cast though, that was awesome. First cast with a whopper plopper, that is. And I don't know how well you guys can see, but I like throwing right by these trees. And there, I'm facing the sun, so when they come out of a tree, they will be facing away from the sun right now. Not sure how big of a difference that makes, but I think it makes one. I don't know. I like to put some a little logic behind my fishing. Whether or not it's real or not, I don't know. Got him again. Right out of the tree. This one ain't as big, but I think we stumbled upon a pattern. Get it out of your head. Well, look at you for a second. You're a little guy. Someone jacked up your jaw. Some kind of parasite. Hopefully that helped you out, buddy. You go grow up to be a 10-pounder now. Alright, I think we stumbled across a pattern. My favorite kind of pattern. Oh yeah, the topwater pattern. You always have to pay attention because there's also underwater structure that I can't always see. Both of those are off of trees, off of points. Got him. Oh, he's a good one. All right. The topwater bite is proven effective. Oh, sorry. Hit you with a rod, buddy. Oh, he's off. He's off to the races. Probably one of the better bass I've caught all year. About a 1.5 pounder maybe. He's gone. That's 3 bass on the topwater. Got him. Oh, I lost him. I didn't get a good hook set. Dang it. That was a big fish too. Man, crap. Ugh. And he come right out from behind that tree. Got him. Oh, he's a little guy. I'm getting ready to boat flip him and he got off. think the water is too warm for him here. 81. Yeah, we're out of here. Let's go to my second topwater spot. We're back. All right, let's do some topwater fishing again. This is actually just a cut just west of the other cut. Like on the other side of that hilltop was where I was just fishing. So. Got him. Dang it, lost him. Lost another one. That's 3 in a row. Let's get it together, James. And here's all those wakes that you made in a no wake zone. Thank you, buddy. Got him. Keep him down, keep him down. Oh, and by the way, if you love topwater bass fishing, smash that like button. Another little guy, nothing to brag about, but oh yeah, the bass. Gotta love them. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. It'll definitely help me out and keep making these videos for you guys. Well guys, we had a very successful day fishing. Started off with a walleye, then we got on a topwater bass pattern, which was fantastic. I've been waiting for that for a very long time. But it's been phenomenal fishing today. Didn't catch any huge guys. I did have a pretty decent one hooked on, I think. Although everyone says that when they lose a fish. But like always, until next time, get out there and go catch us some fish.